In this video, I'm going to show you how to get App Store on your iPhone. So if the App Store is missing on your iPhone, that means you will no longer be able to install any application from the App Store and you don't have access to the App Store on your iPhone. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to get back the App Store on your iPhone and you'll be able to henceforth install application on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to get the App Store on your iPhone is open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, you just need to scroll down and click on screen time. Then under screen time, scroll down and make sure you click on content and privacy restrictions. Once you click on that, turn on content and privacy restriction. Once turn that on, you may be prompted to type in your screen time passcode if you're using the screen time passcode. Then come here and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now make sure you tap installing apps. Once you click on installing app, make sure you choose allow. So if you select allow there, Apple App Store will be allowed on your iPhone. However, if you choose don't allow, and also you set in app purchases to don't allow, now if you go back to your iPhone home screen, you discover that the App Store is no longer available on your iPhone. Even if you come to the app library on your iPhone and search for App Store, you discover that the App Store is no longer available. Now the only way to bring back the App Store on your iPhone is to go back to the settings under screen time and make sure installing app is allowed. So this is how you can easily get App Store on your iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.